Hello everyone.
Hey, back to another
Video. Yes, and I am driving a boat on solid land. Illuminati confirmed.
Anyways, so this is Build a Boat for Treasure.
Yeah, it's a new game for us to play on our channel. Flames actually has never played this firsthand,
but I've seen somebody else play it, so
we're all good.
Okay, I just
Flames, go on the back.
It's a duck.
Wait, no, don't copyright me for this, YouTube.
No.
All right,
YouTube, how could you?
Flames,
I'm trying to sit on it.
you are the worst person to get in a boat that I've ever met. Okay,
I'm just gonna sit on here.
No, just get no. Flames, go under the tunnel I made. My beautiful yes. Oh. And now we're gonna lock you in. Whee!
How could you?
No. Stop flopping my things. My trapdoors are so fancy. But yeah, this is one of the boats. And
oh yes, so very fancy.
Yeah, we're just gonna like speed along. You know, like the very responsible driver I am. Before we get to the intro, I'm gonna just walk, and hopefully nothing bad. Oh my god, no! Oh.
Just happened.
Excuse
me? No!
Flames!
No!
Oh my god, I crashed! I crashed the boat. Anyways, I guess to the intro.
I guess we'll see you after the intro. Be right back.
We died.
That was tragic.
That's a special little moment we had, dying
together.
Yeah. So Flames was kind of upset that I built this boat. He said that's so heavy.
I can't turn it. I can't.
Really turn it because it's so heavy. I like to think it's the first option. Because I'm.
Why do you bully everyone?
No, but anyway, so we're gonna check out a couple fun things. Did you see that? Did you see? Someone was jumping with their boat. Like they jumped like over that wall, that big wall.
Impressive.
No, like look on the meter. The meter shows, and like, did you see that part? Okay, like. We tried to make the intro the last two times. First time,
you know what? It just didn't work out. So
first time the room filled up with poison from the cauldron. The second time my clones killed me. Oh, I know the books that are light
that one up
blue.
Lime green. Yeah, I see one up there. It's like a glowing red.
Yellow.
It's like a glowing
wait, you just followed
red.
the pattern that's here. It was already pushed in. There was a pattern on the top. It's like the color of the book. And I want the sword. Can I get the sword? No, wait, no. I want the one that... Can I kidnap the leprechaun?
I'm gonna have to cut that.
Can I...
I want the sword. Gib sword. Sword. Gib.
We can't take anything but this creepy elf man with him. I'm gonna take it though, but he looks like
I want him.
Now, just to be funny, I'm gonna press. Oh, I did something stupid.
We better get out.
I said I did something stupid.
Okay, we better get out.
Trying to kill us. It's not fun. It's not funny. It's not. Why aren't you killing us? Cauldron, why aren't you being good? Wait. Alright, Flames, get in the cauldron.
Wait, what? What are you getting in the cauldron?
Or am I getting tinier? It's either I'm really short or... Alright, Flames, get in the cauldron. Go on.
No, I'm burning! Let me out!
Help! I became a stupid.
Alright.
Let's keep going. Alright, Flames, let's get moving. Flames, can you pick me up at the entrance? Please. Oh, you ready? You ready? You ready? Yeah, you can drive. You can drive. I'm definitely not the one who built it, so I can just clear all parts. I'm trying to right now. But
Oh, you want me to go pick you up over there?
yes. Yes. That would be very nice of you. But you're not doing it!
Trying to carry me downstream.
I'm gonna slap the microphone for it to make a fight. Bang! It was really funny.
It was not.
It was funny. You ready?
It was not funny, Aqua. Aqua, no. We're just trying to find our way in life.
Oh yeah, also we're gonna show you our logo one time, like pretty soon. In the next episode we're gonna show you our logo.
What do you mean our logo?
Like I don't think we've actually shown the viewers the official logo because
Oh, yeah.
when we're famous enough,
The shields.
yeah, there's a shield and then there's like our official logo. But basically, we're gonna use that official logo for merch in the future. So if you like it, please like, subscribe, so that way we can get to our goal and make that merch.
Yep.
And then we have a shield just for fun. Actually, I wonder if I can make a data pack for Minecraft and make our shields all look like that.
You probably could. I
I'm
imagine
too
you could.
lazy. Flames. Why? No, flames.
Okay, fine. You get it.
Yeah, this is actually the
Hey, it's steampunk.
funnest. It's like the creepy elf guy we could like kidnap him, but he still managed to stay. Cloner. Just like the time that I got cloned 100 times.
Okay, stop. Just stop. Okay, this is
Okay, I'll explain. There's a problem. The motor's taking heavy damage.
The motor.
If it explodes, we'll probably need brakes and we'll probably done. Wow, I survived. Look at me.
Wow. This is
Quickly, wait. Is it on mute?
I was just.
This is the hardest level. We are like the water rises and falls. We're taking damage.
And guess what? The motor's broken.
Still works. It's just that the rubber change is not working. All good. Ah!
Uh-oh. This isn't good.
Remember me.
Uh-oh.
This is Flames. I'll help you.
Uh-oh.
Flames, you know how to drive a boat, right?
I think so.
That goes at the speed of light.
Shit. Okay.
The motor's gone.
Okay.
No, just wait. You'll actually live. Flames,
Yeah.
this is why I made it so thick.
That's a good reason for making it thick then. I can't turn it, but it's okay.
I mean, it's maneuverable. I've made worse. Remember the SS Nightmare? That's the big chunky boat. I showed it to Flames. It's actually really stupid looking. Oh, how did you avoid those rocks? By a pixel's worth.
Are you sure about that? Okay, so by the way, Roblox has way more pixels than Minecraft.
We don't talk about that. Yo, you actually... Flames?
I'm gonna make it through.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, this is
Are
like...
you kidding? That's just the halfway point.
Oh, I forgot when they... There's so much I'm gonna have to cut.
No!
No, why?
You fell into a laundry machine.
Wait, how do I get out though?
Oh, you bounce.
Boing, boing.
Bounce
Boing.
faster.
Wait. Oh, flip.
I said bounce faster. That's not good enough. Flames.
No, I'm dying. I'm dying.
Flames, you're so bad at this. Flames, you're so bad at this. It's okay. It's okay. We all experience it.
that was cool.
Oh wait, I forgot to mention, I have this one type of boat. It's called the flying cruiser. It flies. In case you didn't.
Oh my god, that's a pretty chunky treasure.
No, just get in. Just get in.
The flying cruiser. Huh.
Just get in.
Where's the seat? Oh, the seat's over here. Get me in the seat.
And
It's gonna fly.
you can control it. I forgot to mention. See?
Oh my!
It's hard to control,
It
but you can.
flies.
It's hard to control, but you can actually still kind of control it.
No way.
Like it causes a lot of anxiety to control it, but it works.
Oh my god, no way.
I know. I waste my time.
Aqua.
Yes. Well, I mean, it's so basically
This is so impractical.
in this game you can make like jets. Like you have like.
Wait,
jet
no.
engines.
We need more altitude.
No, in this game you can like build like you can buy jet engines with the gold that you get from each round. But this is my jet engine, and
What did you just do?
no, trust me, I have to renew the balloons so that way we fly longer. That sounded weird.
Wait, why don't we just vote?
No, because a lot of the times the balloons pop like halfway through.
Wait, why can't we just boat? And then when it gets too hard, we can fly.
Nah, I don't. It's not very good for like.
Dude, what is this?
It's my beautiful.
What did you
boat.
do?
Made the
Dude,
best
we're
boat.
sideways.
Well, we're flying.
I mean,
Did you hear the Wright brothers complain when they only flew 90 meters? Or something like that? By the way, I actually didn't search that up, so if I'm actually right, leave a comment, because I would feel so proud of myself. But,
I mean, that's a rough estimate. It's close.
well, I mean, like, it's either 90 feet or 90 meters. Wait, we can't go through walls.
It's close.
Wow, Flames, what a surprise. Physics actually work in Roblox. We actually can go through walls. So,
Why?
nice day.
You just laugh like that?
Nice day, right?
That prevents air travel, I guess.
Is that, yeah? Explain that, Flame.
Excuse me? Excuse me, why?
I'm very good at flying, as you can tell. Okay, to be honest, to be honest, it's not just flying vertically, it actually moves. That's impressive. Hey, who's throwing ornaments at me?
You are throwing ornaments at yourself.
This baseball thinks it can. No, there's a baseball bat. But I'm still kidding.
It's
I'm
literally
flying
actually
so-
trying to chuck them at
I'm
you.
flying so badly that it can't even like get close to aiming on me because I'm flying so inaccurately.
Why? My dude, you're still flying though. I think we actually move more when we do that. Wait, how did I die though?
I lost my hair. That's so embarrassing.
How did I die?
Wait, which way?
I don't understand.
No!
How did I die?
I'm being thrown ornaments at. Ornaments are
Alright.
Flames? Should we go to Aqua View?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead and switch to Aqua View. Alright.
You're gonna start. Ah! Okay. Okay. So, gamers, we are currently in the weird cavern. I lost my engine, so we're stuck. But look how far we got. I mean, this is where Flames died. We got one level further, and now I'm gonna fly through the roof because there's no physics in this game. Wait, I'm actually not flying through the roof. There's physics.
Aqua. I got some chests earlier. Can you show me where they are?
There.
In here?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes. Where?
In my slave slot.
Whoa, your slave slot.